Hi tech fans, welcome to a brand new video tutorial of TechTV.1. In today's video, I will show you how you can make an easy electronic project using Tinkercad. We are using just 3 things to make this project. Number 1, Arduino Uno. Number 2, 16 by 2 LED display with L2C module and some connection wires. This is the component library. From here we can import required components. I am connecting VCC pin of LED display to 5V DC pin of Arduino Uno, and then I am connecting ground pin of LED display to ground pin of Arduino Uno. After connecting these two wires, I am connecting SDA pin to SDA pin of Arduino Uno and then SCL pin to SCL pin of Arduino Uno. So the circuit is completed. Let's upload the code. I have provided the complete code in the description of this video. After pasting code to the text box, it's time to check the project. Here are the results. If you found this video helpful, so do subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest update and share this video with your tech friends.